Okay guys, this was last night's pour. No, this is Carrapppy. It is definitely getting poured over. There's so much splitting in the paint. There's way too much water in that base mix. Why did I have to mess with something that was working? So in any case, this will get another life. I'm glad I tried it because I wouldn't have known had I not tried, but we are going to do a different one on this one. It's not quite dry yet, but when it is, it's going to get a makeover. Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I am going to try this palette one more time. This is a 12 by 12 gallery wrapped Artist Loft canvas, and my colors are the same as I did a couple of videos ago. So it's the golden fluid green gold. This I've changed up a little bit. This is the golden fluid quinacridone nickel azo gold, and I have put Decoart Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. Okay. And I've added some Arteza yellow ochre because it's an opaque color, and the other ones are transparent. So I want to see if that's going to make a difference with the selling. This is Amsterdam Expert Series in Naples Yellow Red Light. This is golden fluid in phthalo turquoise or turquoise phthalo, whichever you want. But I've also added some of the Artist Loft. This is the metallic cobalt blue because this is opaque and the other one is not. So let's see what we get with that. This is the golden permanent violet dark. I haven't added anything to that yet. I don't think I'm going to. I'm gonna mix up some of the Modern Masters in iridescent gold, and I'm going to add that. I also have a cloud over color, and this is the golden fluid in teal, and I've added some Decoart satin enamels in white. So now that I've got my colors all set, I'm going to mix this up, and I will, you know what, I was going to mix it up off camera, but I think I will mix it up right now. So, don't really measure the paint itself. I just kind of put a blob down. Whoopsie. So that's probably less than an ounce. It's about a half an ounce. Ooh, that is pretty. Holy jeez. And then I take a squirt of Liquitex pouring medium. Just a squirt. Then I take my GAC 800, which I put in this little container because I have the big gallon one. And I just put a little bit of that in. Probably a little bit more GAC. GAC is more important than the Liquitex pouring medium, I think. Okay, so I'm mixing it up. There we go. This is mixing a color. Ooh, that is so pretty. And then I take my Floetrol. So there's about an ounce and a half down there. I put double the amount of Floetrol in it. And then I add water. So you want whatever paints you're using. If you're using a tube paint, you're going to want to get that incorporated with the Liquitex pouring medium first. There we go. Now it looks like it's faded out, but that's just that is the Floetrol, and it will turn it to its original color. So then I just add a squirt at a time till I get it to the right consistency. You know what? You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a test. I'm going to do a drip test on these colors to make sure that they're all the same consistency. So, a drip test, you say? What is that, Michelle? Well, I take a paper plate and I take all my colors, including the cloud mix, and I put them on a paper plate. Now, here's my cloud mix. This is a doctored up one again. This one is the Behr satin enamel one that I have had in the past, but I added some Decoart to it. So it's not the one I did the other day. That one was Carrapppy. All right, so here's my paper plate. Oops, I got two there. No wasting. Okay, so I'm going to take each. Now this color is going to be a little bit thicker because because it's metallic. And you want to put about the same amount on each. This one still thick because there we go. So when you're mixing this up, want to make sure you push your stick up against the sides to make sure you're getting it all. There we go. That looks better. So I'm going to put the two metallics next to each other. And then we're going to take our purple, permanent violet dark. Okay. This one seems a little watery. See, these are things that you should probably do every time you pour, but after a while you get used to it. And they're not necessarily going to be exactly the same, but they'll be very close. This is really, now this is the one that has the artist Loft. Oh, is that thick? Nope, it's not. It's good. And I'm gonna get a fresh stick for this guy. He's kind of thick. Nope, it just feels dense because it's an opaque color, but it's running off the stick just perfect. So there's that. Oopsie. And then my cloud mix. You want them to be very close to the same. Sometimes the cloud mix is a little bit thinner. So here we go. I'm going to move this out of the way so I don't get paint all over it. Whoops. And there's the white going into it. See how it runs down? They're about the same. See that? Now the white does go down a little bit quicker. I'll admit that. But that's pretty darn close. And there is a drip test. Yeah, the white is a little bit, and that's normal for the white to be that. Apparently those two ran into each other. Sorry. Yeah, they look good. They look good to me. So I'm making another attempt at this color palette because I like it. Last night's pour was crap because I tried something new that didn't work. But I am an advocate of always trying out new things. So it didn't work. That's okay. I learned some valuable lessons from it. Always learning. Okay, so here's my cloud mix. This canvas takes, you know what? I didn't do this. This canvas takes 7.1 ounces of paint. There we go. Prepping the canvas. Boy, this is a full tutorial, isn't it? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at this little guy. It's a little canvas, so I guess it's appropriate. And make sure you get your sides. And the corners, especially the corners. Here we go. All right, wish me luck. Still trying to figure out which way. I know that when I think it's this way, that I have to tilt it so that it comes out right on the camera. Oh, there's a bug. It's an ant. Bye. I didn't kill him. I didn't kill him. I really didn't. So let's pour. This is our Behr. This is way too much paint. That was a 9-ounce cup. It wasn't filled all the way. However, you do want a thin layer on your canvas, and there's something. Ugh, I don't even know what that was. I still don't. Where is it? Get off. Maybe it was an ant. It's still on there. Must be, you know what it is? It's probably a crusty from the side of the bottle. That happens. I have been using bottles lately. See, now I need a little bit more. Okay. Want to make sure I get all my corners and my sides completely done. There, that's better. So I'll link the recipe in the description. Do I have enough paint off? Okay. Got to be mindful of putting too much paint down. This is going to be interesting because it has the metallic cobalt blue in it. Now, do I want to put that down next? Yes. No, yes. I do love that color. It's not, I don't need this much color. You know, I don't know what it is. I just can't stop. I'm going to put a little bit of the violet down. It's already starting to react. I really want that violet next to. There we go. And I don't think I'm going to put the green. I'm going to do the. Oh, look at how much paint I've got on here. I don't need this much. Well, it's going to come off. Where it comes off, I have no idea. All right, let me torch this baby before I tilt it. And I've got lots of paint, so I can always... Oh, I never did add the gold. I'll add that later. Oh, there's a lot of paint on here. I can always re-pour. Sometimes I like working with what I have though, you know? Yeah, it's definitely have to move some of this paint off, but I don't like that big, huge piece of quinacridone nickelase of gold. So let's move that off a little bit. I wonder if you could pour after you tilt and then tilt again. Let me move this down here. Oh, I like what's happening up there. Sorry, I'm not talking. You know, I might pour it over only because I'm liking, well, nope, I'm gonna give it a chance. The one good thing about these is it's really easy to scrape them and it's really easy to pour over them once they're dry. But I love that violet next to, I don't like that mud in there, which I never like mud, but I put too much quinacridone nickelase of gold down. This stuff really, I mean, it just really takes over the, it gives a lot of cells. Blah, 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 blah. See, I'm enjoying all of this because that's colorful and I'm a colorful kind of gal. Wow. All right, guys, you know what time it is. It's not tilting time. It is time to put you on time lapse. Hi guys, I am back. I love this one. It's so colorful. I truly love it. I'm in awe. It's a little bit busy here, I know, but look at those colors. Look at all those cells and all those colors. I must try this again. I must. Yeah, I'm happy. Very happy. Hope it dries well. Famous last words. Look, you can see that cobalt turquoise there. I love the permanent deep violet mixed with the cobalt turquoise, metallic cobalt turquoise, that is. So, this is it for that one. I am happy. I'll probably be trying this again. Not sure the orientation. I don't think this is going to be it. I think it might be like this. Anyhow, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.